In this video, I will show you a detailed comparison between Convertri and Flodesk Checkout features. For your convenience, the links to both Convertri and Flodesk Checkout are in the description below so you can try them out. Convertri is renowned for its lightning-fast page loading times, which can significantly impact conversion rates. With its drag-and-drop editor, creating stunning, high-converting checkout pages becomes a breeze. Convertri also offers robust split testing capabilities, allowing you to optimize your checkout process for maximum conversions. On the other hand, Flodesk Checkout boasts an intuitive user interface and seamless integration with Flodesk's email marketing platform. Its customizable checkout forms enable you to maintain brand consistency and capture essential customer information effortlessly. Flodesk Checkout also provides advanced analytics, empowering you to track sales and customer behavior effectively. When it comes to payment gateway compatibility, both platforms offer support for popular options like Stripe and PayPal, ensuring flexibility for your business needs. However, Convertri takes the edge with its extensive library of pre-designed checkout page templates, saving you time and effort in design. In terms of pricing, Convertri offers flexible plans starting at a reasonable price point, making it accessible for businesses of all sizes, and price start from $99 per month. Conversely, Flodesk Checkout operates on a subscription-based model, which may be more suitable for those looking for predictable monthly costs, and its pricing start for free. Ultimately, the choice between Convertri and Flodesk Checkout depends on your specific requirements and preferences. Whether you prioritize speed, design flexibility, or integration capabilities, both platforms offer compelling features to enhance your checkout process and drive conversions. Click the link in the description to try Convertri Checkout for free and use the link in the description to try Flodesk at a 50% discount for an entire year.